In this video, we are going to talk about the access lists. The access lists are a very powerful tool to control workstations along with the Go. So, to make it fit to your use case, it takes some time of study to understand all the possibilities it gives you. Well, to access the access lists, we go to the module menu, we go to go to settings, and go to access lists. This screen will show all access lists already set up. To set up a new one, we go to the Action button. Then we can choose between making a general access list or an access list aggregated to a single workstation. Let's choose General in this case, and it will then open a new window for us, where we'll be able to choose which category of access list we want. We can make an access list on the applications, on the automations, on the uninstallers, or on the control panel itself. Let's choose here Applications. Well, to effectively configure the access list, we have to understand that when creating a deny access list, it will deny the user access to everything that was specified in its rules. And when you create an allow access list, it will, as the name says, allow the user access to the things that were previously denied by the deny list. That is, if you created a list to block certain access, but you blocked one application too many, you must then create another list that allows access only to that application. Let's create an example rule here. I'll create a rule to block Word, the Office text application. So, we'll give it a name. I'll set it to denylist. I'll leave it enabled. And I can set that any set in this application is recorded. Now, among the criteria, I'm going to choose by product name. We have several types of criteria that can be chosen, and they find applications in different ways. So I'm going to choose the name of the product, and I'm going to create the rule Word asterisk, and I'm going to click Add. Once I save this list, all applications that have the word Word in their product name will be automatically blocked on all workstations for all users. Let's save. Following the example, let's imagine that I wanted to block Word. but I wouldn't like to block the WordPad application. So now, I'll create a new list of type allowlist for the WordPad application to be freed. So the previous list will deny everything related to Word, while this list will allow WordPad. Once we create both lists and synchronize the vault with the Go, these rules will take effect on all workstations. Well, the access lists too has infinite possibilities. We have different types of access lists. For example, the control panel list, where you can allow tools that are exclusive to the Windows control panel, or the ones that have already been presented. And all these possibilities can solve different use cases. So, to configure your workstation correctly, you should study the different possibilities.